Last time, Priya walked the corridor with a stopwatch. 6 honest observations, one single morning. But the hospital's tracking system logs every arrival, every day around the clock. Today, we pull 2 weeks of it into LeanProjax and ask one question. Where do 94 minutes actually go? This is LeanProjax in action. Healthcare. Episode 5. What the system knows. Here is the Cedar Gate project. I open the Go to menu and choose Data Playground. 2 weeks of ED visits, 1 CSV file straight from the tracking system. I click Upload Data, watch the badge, scanned, parsed, profiled, ready. 256 visits, 7 columns. No spreadsheet wrangling. I click the file, every column already profiled, types, distinct values, missing cells, and there is our number. Door to doctor, mean 94.29. The stopwatch confirmed by 256 visits. Below sits analyze. I open the Pareto tab and run majority share of delay reason. Bed unavailable, 108 visits, 42%. Add triage queue and you reach 73%. 2 reasons, 3/4 of the pain. Next, statistics. Summary for door to doctor, mean 94.3. Standard deviation 29.8 and rankings. Rank shift by average door to doctor. Evenings run 105 minutes. Days 85.6. Same corridor 20 minutes apart. The suspects have names. Some questions need their own words. That is SQL Studio. Our file is already a table. Ed visit log running right in the browser. First, the whole table. Run. Every visit, every column instantly. Now the real question. Which delay reason costs the most time? I group by reason, count the visits, and average the weight. Real SQL written in front of you. The language your analysts already speak. Run. Bed unavailable. 108 visits, 112.4 minutes on average. And read the bottom line. When nothing goes wrong, 34.9. The corridor already knows how to be fast. Everything above that number is a reason, and reasons can be removed. One more move before we leave the playground. Under the profile, send a column to I pick door to doctor minutes and send it to a Capability Sixpack. 256 values land in the toolkit. No copying, no typos, no excuses. And here it is in the assignment toolkit. I open the run and give it a proper name. Door to doctor, baseline capability, 256 observations already loaded. No lower limit, faster is always fine, so LSL stays empty. USL 30, the accreditation standard, save, there's the verdict. CPK minus 0.697, DPMO 981,690, 98% of visits out of spec. The histogram barely reaches the limit and the run chart shows it is not one bad day, it is every day. That is our baseline, undeniable. 256 visits, 2 reasons behind 73% of the delays, and a corridor that meets the standard 3% of the time. The system knew. Now, so do we. The data pointed tonight, beds, triage, and the evening shift, but pointing is not proof. Next time, the team puts the top suspects on trial. Cause, effect, and a proper hypothesis test. The bottleneck nobody blamed. 113 days on the clock. See you in the corridor.